Hope you're having a solid morning. Got a fresh brief for you. Let's see how the tape is setting up. Quiet news flow, but there's real stress underneath, and CPI lands in just a few hours. Let's check in on crypto, because this is where the bruising is. Bitcoin's down at 61,500, basically flat on the session, but sitting on a 30-day trend that's been ugly. Ethereum is softer at 1630, off more than 1%, and Hype is the standout pain trade, down over 7% to 56.5. Here's the real story. Fear and greed prints 9. That's extreme fear, and we've been camped in that zone for 9 straight days. To put that in context, we're sitting in the first percentile of all readings since 2018. Historically, when we've been this washed out, the index is up a median of 9 points a month later, so the contrarian setup is building, but you need a catalyst. Let's see how stocks closed. The S&P is hanging in at 737, up over 1%, which is a clean divergence from crypto. VIX is at 1987, lifting off complacent levels, but nowhere near panic. Under the hood, Nuvalent ripped 39% on biotech news, while SunTrust got smoked nearly 30%. That kind of single-name dispersion with a calm VIX tells you index hedges aren't being chased. Yet. Commodity side, gold's holding 41.85, up 1/3%, and still acting like the cleanest inflation hedge into the print. WTI crude is at 88.5, fractionally lower. The setup to watch is simple. If CPI runs hot, gold catches a bid, and crude follows on the stagflation read. On the headlines, the tape is light but interesting. OpenAI is reportedly weighing an Ohio data center with NVIDIA backing, and Meta tied up with Reliance for an AI build-out in India. That AI capex story keeps a floor under semis. Meanwhile, weak yen and a hawkish Fed are piling pressure on the BOJ to accelerate hikes, which is your real FX undercurrent today, with DXY at 99.91. Looking ahead, the calendar is loaded. US CPI for May drops today at 12:30 UTC. That's the main event, and consensus is the line in the sand for risk. Then the Bank of Canada decision, plus their monetary policy report at 13:45 UTC. Tomorrow brings PPI at 12:30 UTC, so the inflation read is a 2-day story, not a one-print event. That's it for today. Head over to Trada for the full real-time terminal, the liquidation map, and funding rate widgets, plus the AI sparring partner watching the tape with you. Happy trading!